Manage site templates and sections, and update code and content across your organization's website portfolio with Design Library, part of Squarespace Enterprise. This enterprise-level website development tool is designed to help you and your teams support your org's expansion, scalability, user experience, brand identity, and marketing goals. To get started, select Design Library from your enterprise dashboard. Here, your team administrators can view and manage all your organization's enterprise templates from one centralized location. Enterprise templates offer approved starting points for creating new products, services, and sub-brand sites. With these templates, your team administrators and website managers can save considerable time creating sites that comply with your org's brand guidelines and industry regulations like HIPAA. You can also make templates from live sites, great for historical records and site backups. But that's not all. From the Design Library tab, your team administrators and website managers can create or update existing global text and code blocks. This is great for building a repository of bespoke widgets that can be used across all your organization's sites. In the left panel, select Global Text Block or Global Code. Then, click Create New to build a new block you can name to tailor to its use cases, or select an existing one from the list to edit it. Whether you need to add or update links, disclosures, or applications across your sites, global blocks help you get it done quickly and consistently. Once you're done, select Save if creating a new global block, or Update if updating an existing one, updating that block on all your site pages using it. With your global text or code block ready to go, your team can now use it when building new sites or editing existing ones. You can even save entire page sections for use across your organization's sites. Click Edit on a page, then hover over the section and click the heart icon. Select Team Library. Enter a name for the section, then click Save. When you want to use that saved section on any of your sites, access the Team Library when adding a section to a page. Click Edit on a page, then Add Section, and finally, select a saved section from your Team Library to add to the page. Your team administrators can also rename, search, or remove existing sections from here. Build website templates and sections featuring easily updatable global text and code blocks with Design Library. Let us know if you have any questions about Design Library features or anything Squarespace Enterprise. We're always here to help.